Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning in to the video. So happy Friday or Saturday whenever you are watching this. Either way, it's finally the weekend and I am so happy to see it. This has been the longest week ever. So you know how we do on Friday night. We go through the scenarios for our 5 off of 25 coupon for Saturday for Dollar General. So we're about to go through about 5 different scenarios today using all digital coupons with low out of pocket. Anyone can do these deals. All you have to do is download the same digital coupons that I'm going to use, load those coupons along with their 5 off of 25 coupon, enter your phone number in at the register, and check out. So easy, so simple. So the first deal I'm going to show you guys is actually going to be the most expensive deal that I'm going to show you, but it's going to be a great deal because we are going to stock up on tissue paper, and I know we always need to stock up on tissue paper. So we are going to grab 2 of the Scott 12 rolls tissue first. You can also get paper towels if you need paper towels. They are also on sale for this deal, but I'm going to grab 2 of the 12 packs of Scott Comfort Plus. These are on sale 2 for $8, and we also have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. The next item I'm going to grab is right next to it. We're going to get one of the 12 packs of Charmin Essentials. So these are on sale this week for $4.95, and we have a $1 off 1 digital coupon. For a filler item in this deal, we're going to grab one of the Centrum vitamins. I'm going to get one of the Energy right here for $5. We're going to use our $4 off 1 digital coupon. Next up, we're going to grab one of the Eucerin Intensive Repair Lotions. These are the 5-ounce size. They are actually on sale for $4 this week, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon. Our final item in this deal is going to be one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents. We're going to get this one with 50% more ounces. It is 50 loads and 75 ounces. It's $5 regular price. We're going to use our $2 off 1 digital coupon. So this is everything that we have in our first all digital scenario. We have 2 of the 12 rolls of tissue. We're going to use our $2 off 2 digital coupon. We have one of the Charmin for $4.95. This is 12 rolls as well. We're going to use our $1 off 1 digital coupon. We have one of the Arm & Hammer at $5. We're going to use that $2 off 1 digital coupon. We have one of the Centrum at $5. We're going to use that $4 off 1 digital coupon. And then we have one of the Eucerin at $4. We are going to use the $3 off 1 digital coupon. So our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $26.95 plus tax, which qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. So we're going to load that coupon along with all of those other digitals. That will take off a total of $17 in savings, and we will be left paying only $9.95 for this deal, which I think is a great deal considering that you're getting the 3 packs of toilet paper plus the laundry detergent and the bonus items over here for less than $10. So let's go on to deal number 2. The first item in deal number 2 is going to be a Swiffer Duster Starter Kit for $4.50. We're going to get the one with 1 handle and 5 dusters that's Gain scented, and then we're going to use $1.50 off of 1 digital coupon. The next item I'm going to grab is one of the 17 count bags of Finish Max in 1. I have a $2 off coupon that is working on this product. It's an older digital. I think the newer digital that is available is for $1 off, so just use whichever one that you have, and of course, if you have the $2 off as well, your total will be a little bit lower. For a filler item in this deal, I'm going to use one of the Always Discreet for $3, and I will be using the $2 off 1 digital coupon, but you can use any $3 filler item that you like. If you have one of the big razor coupons still left on your account, you can use that as well. That'll make this deal $1 cheaper. So here is our complete deal for all digital deal number 2. I've used some of the same products that we purchased in our deal number 1, but I've taken away the 2 extra Scott. So this is a well-rounded household deal if you want to pick up a variation of items. We have one of the Charmin again at $4.95. We're going to use that $1 off digital. We have our Always at $3. We're going to use our $2 off 1 digital. We have our Finish at $3.75. I'm using the $2 off 1 digital. I have the Swiffer Duster at $4.50. I'm using the $1.50 off 1 digital. I have the Arm & Hammer once again at $5, using that $2 off one digital. And then I have the Eucerin at $4. I'm using the $3 off one digital coupon. Our total before any digital coupons are applied should be $25.20. That allows us to use our 5 off of 25 digital store coupon. So we're going to load that along with all of our other digital coupons. That will bring our total in coupons to $16.50, leaving us to pay only $8.70 for this deal. Yes, $8.70 for this deal, which I think is great because we have dishwasher tabs, we have tissue paper, and we have laundry detergent for $8. So let's go on to deal number 3. Deal number 3 is going to be a super easy deal that is just going to be full of smell goods for our home. So if you want to do a super simple deal and stock up on Airwick, this is the deal for you. So the first 2 items we are going to grab is 2 of the Airwick refills, the double count, at $5 each. We're going to use the buy one get one free digital coupon. Then we're going to grab one of the starter kits, the Mist starter kits at $10. We're going to use the $5 off one digital coupon. So this is the complete deal for deal number 3. We have the 2 Airwick refills, the 2 count at $5 each. We're going to use the buy one get one free coupon, which will deduct $5. We have one of the starter kits for $10. We're going to use the $5 off one digital coupon. And then we have one of the Centrum Energy as our filler item. It is $5. We're going to use the $4 off one digital coupon. Our total before any digital coupons are applied should be exactly $25. So that qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 coupon. We're going to use that coupon plus all of our other digital coupons, which will take off a total of $19 in savings, leaving us to pay just $6 for all 4 of these items. Yes, just $6 for all 4 of these items. Considering that that alone is $10, I think this is a good deal if you want to stock up on Airwick. Here is our final all digital scenario. So we're going to grab one of the Arm & Hammer detergents at $5. Use that $2 off one digital. We're getting one of the Lysol products out of the dollar aisle. You can get the toilet bowl cleaner. You can get the $1 toilet ring cleaner, the one that attaches to the toilet, or you can get this liquid like I just picked up. Whatever product you grab out of the dollar aisle, we're going to use the 50-cent off one digital coupon. Then we have one of the Airwick starter kits at $10. We're going to use the $5 off one digital coupon. We have the Centrum Energy again. We're going to use that $4 off one digital. And then we have one of the Swiffer at $4.50. We're going to use our $1.50 off one digital coupon. Our total before our digital coupons are applied should be $25.50. So we're going to load that 5 off of 25 plus all of those other digital coupons, giving us a total of $18 in savings. After those coupons are applied, we should just be left to pay $7.50 for all of these items. Yes, $7.50 for all 5 items. So that is the final all digital deal that we're going to review tonight. If you are looking for personal care items, the personal care deal that I set up with the shampoo and the Always products is still valid this week. I covered that in last week's video. I'm going to include a clip of it here right now in case you need to revisit it or you didn't see my deal from last week and you need these items. This is a little personal care scenario if you need to get some personal items. So I have 2 of the Always Radiant that are $4 each, regular price. We are going to use a $3 off digital coupon. It's a $3 off of 2. I have one of the Motrin ibuprofen. These are $4 regular price. We have a $2 off one digital coupon. I have another one of the Centrum. These are $5. We are going to use our other $4 off one digital coupon. I have 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. These are 2 for $7. We are going to use our $3 off 2 digital coupon. And then I have one of the Oral-B indicator toothbrushes at $2. we are going to use our $1 off digital coupon. Our total before our digital coupons are applied should be $26, which qualifies us to use our 5 off of 25 digital coupon. So we're going to download that coupon plus all of those other digitals, which totals up to $18 in coupons, leaving us to pay only $8 for all of these items. That is a great deal considering just these two products alone are $8. So we're getting everything else for free. So I hope these all digital scenarios were helpful for you. I will be doing some scenarios with paper coupons tomorrow in my in-store shopping trip, so stay tuned for that as well. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.